BabyBus.
Hello, this is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency?
The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us.
Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there is a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help them out of the water quickly. Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents. Put on the life jacket. Safety first. These are relief supplies. Get them out of the water quickly.